This is how to create an e-commerce website in InfinityFree. From your dashboard, select an account, then add a domain, click Add Custom Domain, and enter your domain. And click Verify Domain, then validate your domain using CNAME or name server. But here I have validated it with a CNAME record and just click Add Domain. Now that the domain has been added to your account, let's go to Script Installer. Then on the left-hand menu, go to e-commerce and choose an e-commerce CMS. For instance, let's say Abunti Carts. Then we will just click Install. We'll choose the domain we've added. And we will add a username. Let's say admin. And just click Install. And now our e-commerce CMS has been installed, and we will add an SSL for this domain. So let's go back to InfinityFree. Let's go to SSL certificate, click New SSL certificate, and we'll add our domain, create order. Then we will add a CNAME record to our domain register. So let's go to our domain register. Then we will add this destination. So our record name is this one, Acme Challenge. We will add a CNAME. So we'll just paste it here. And we will copy the destination. So paste it here and just use DNS only. So just click Save. Then from time to time, we'll just refresh this so that we can request certificates. Let's refresh this one. Okay, great. Our CNAME has been added, and just let's click Request Certificates. And our SSL is now active. So let's open our domain. We'll open this in a new tab. And now we have installed an e-commerce website. Now you can add content, set up payment gateways, and configure its theme. So this is how to create an e-commerce website in InfinityFree.